I've got an unsorted array, so I compare the first two. So 14 and 33 are clearly okay, so then it moves on to the next one. 33 and 27 obviously need to be swapped, so these two get swapped. We don't worry about the 14, that's in the past, that will get on our next iteration, but we swap the 27 and 33. We then move on to the next pair of numbers. So our next pair of numbers is 33 and 35. 33 and 35 are indeed in the correct order, so we leave them. Then we move to the next pair, leaving 33 behind. 35 and 10 are obviously in the wrong place, so we swap around 35 and 10. And we know that we've reached the end of the array and 35 is in the correct place, so we leave it alone. And on our first pass, 35 is in the correct place, and everything else has been moved if necessary. On the second pass, we go back to the beginning. 14 and 27 are still the correct way around, so we leave them. Then we need to check 27 and 33. They are the correct way around, so we leave them as well. Then we need to check 33 and 10. Obviously 33 is higher than 10, ignoring everything that's previously gone before it because we're only ever concerned about our two bubbles together. We swap 10 and 33 around. We know that 35 is in place, so after the second pass or the second bubble up the array, we know that 33 is now in the right place. Then we go back to the beginning for our third pass. 14 and 27 are still in the correct place, but as we bubble up, 27 and 10 are not, so we swap 27 and 10. After the third pass of our array, 27 is in the correct area, so I put a tick above it on the third pass, and then I have to go back to the beginning. On the fourth pass of this array, we need to check 14 and 10. 14 is higher than 10, so it needs to be swapped. Now, on the fourth pass of our array, 14 is in the correct position. We then need to go back through the array, double check that all of the pairs are in the correct place, and then we're sorted.